Guys, welcome back to my new tutorial. So guys, in this video we're taking a look about how to upload a favicon on your blogger. If people doesn't know what is favicon, I'm gonna explain you. You can see the logo over here on your blogger. If you want to change this logo right over here and you want to make your own logo, you can change over here. So guys, first the thing is I'm gonna show you how to create that using a free online websites. If you want, you can even create by yourself using Photoshop or anything, but for this tutorial we are looking at the simple way. You can visit the website. You can just simply type over here favicon generator and you can see some website. You can open any website and you can see over here, type your key, you can select your color, you can click submit. You can also use image. Let's click submit over here. You can see some logos to upload. You can simply whatever you like, you can just simply download from here. And after that, what you have to do is once you download, you can simply go to settings right over here. In settings, you can see option right over there, favicon. You can just click on that. But right now I have uploaded my own one, but I just make a tutorial to show you guys. You can see I have already uploaded my one, but if you want, you can select over here files and upload and click save, and it will change. It will take like 1 to 2 hours to change your favicon. I have already done it, so I'm gonna just show you real quick. You can see I view my blog and you can see my favicon is over here. This is my blog. You can find the link in the description and you can read my blog. I will really highly appreciate it. So guys, that's all in this quick video. I hope you like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.